Hello, welcome back to our channel, Moms About Crafts. Today we're making
low carb keto donuts. And the ingredients are
1 cup of almond flour
and 1/4 of a cup of Monkfruit and Stevia, that is the WholeEarth that I use. So 1/4 of a cup of that. And then
1.5 teaspoon baking powder.
And then we also need 1/2 teaspoon of Xanthan gum. And then
Pinch of salt.
I use the Himalayan one. And then we need
2 eggs.
And 1/4 of a cup of melted butter. That it comes on the bar is 4 tablespoons of it. And then
1/4 of cup heavy
cream. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
And that's it.
And we're gonna heat up our oven at 350 degrees. And I'm using this pan that I have that is for a lot of donuts, but we're not gonna make that many, but that's the one I have. And we're gonna spray them with coconut oil spray. Okay, we're going to mix the dry ingredients. So we have here the almond flour and the sugar. And now we're gonna add the salt with the Xanthan gum and the baking powder. And we're gonna mix them with a whisk. Okay, so now we're going to mix the wet ingredients. So we have the eggs, and we're gonna mix them first with a whisk. Okay, now we're gonna add the melted butter. Okay, and then you're gonna mix it. And then we're gonna add, we have here the heavy cream together with the vanilla. Okay, just mix. And now we're gonna put the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients. Now let's put it here.
Can you hold this? Okay. So wet.
Okay, and making sure everything is on it. And now we're gonna mix everything. Okay, so you can see the consistency, and it was gonna be easier for us if we just put it in this piping bag. So I'm gonna put it in a big cup like this. So it'll be easier for me to put it in there. And I put the oil already sprayed on the pan. Okay, so let's just put it here. Okay, so now there. Now we're gonna make a hole in here. We don't need a tiny hole, so we're gonna make this out. See, now will come out there, so it's easier. Now this part here, you want to twist it so it won't come out from the other side. So it's twist, and now we're gonna put it in the pan. And there's one donut.
That was good.
Let's put some pressure, not too much. Okay, so we finished to put all our butter, and it gives the recipe for 8 donuts. And now we're gonna put it on the oven, remember at 350 degrees, for 15 to 18 minutes till they're golden brown. If you wanna make chocolate donuts, you can add cocoa powder. And this one has 0 sugar, so has 3 grams of carbohydrates minus 2 of fiber, so only has 1 net carbs. So make sure you read it before you buy it, or buy one that has sugar. I only did vanilla because I'm gonna do with a chocolate syrup on top. I'm gonna drizzle it. You may see this one on my crepe recipe. I bought it on Amazon, and it has only 2 grams of net carbs. And what I did, just like the butter, I put my bag and I put it here, and I'm gonna squeeze it. I'm gonna make a little hole here, smaller enough to drizzle. And then when the donuts are out, we're gonna let it cool down, and we're gonna drizzle them with the chocolate. Okay, they were in the oven. I put it for about 18 minutes. And now we're gonna let them cool down a little bit. We're gonna put them on the cooling rack to be completely cold. Now the donuts are cooled down. We're going to drizzle them with the hazelnut spread. This one is kind of liquid compared to Nutella, so it's perfect. Okay, so we're just gonna, I put a parchment paper here so it won't make a mess. And just like that. And it will give you the sweetness, but no overpowering. Okay, and here we have Keto Doughnuts.
Thank you for watching, and click that subscribe button, and give a like if you like this video, and we'll see you in the next video. And give it a thumbs up.